This station rules the nation.
Look like conditions wanna open up. They wanna open up. Come on, 911 in the trees, waving.
Looking at you. Top of that day, 911, stepchild in Texas Fly.
Hello, stepchild. Hello, stepchild. 911, waving right back.
Alright, good evening, sir. Your step to the truck was gone.
Therefore, no doubt about it, stepchild sounding a whole lot of good in my Videogate in New York City. Stepchild, 911 in these streets, waving.
911, take care, man. One good, one love. Old step in the race truck. Bye-bye.
Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. 911 in the Big Apple trees.
672, there you go again. Was trying to get in there, wave the hand. 672, while the big boys are out playing, you're $1.99. Bye.
Hey, that ground plane's working for you, my friend. It's sounding all kinds of good as well. $1.99. Evening time to you, your friend in 10. Six-pack Smoky Hills getting back.
Roger 4672, no doubt about it. 672, on this ground plane, 199 to the left.
There go that 672 out those smoky hills. Let's see if we can make those hills a little bit more smoky. 911, New York City, waving.
Yeah, 150 dreams out there. Hey, 911, hey, 911, I think you're blowing enough smoke out there.
911, good evening time to you, my friend. Good in here to Smoky Hills. 911, just got that sloppy copy. Six-pack Smoky Hills, we go east to you.
10-4, six-pack around the Smoky Hills. I heard about 3 stations getting back to me right about there. Six-pack, and more six-pack. 911, New York City, waving.
Little microphone, but there's more to it than that. Anyways, that little striker, here's 2 grams coming through.
Hey, 911, appreciate you getting back. Hey, 911, appreciate you getting back. I heard Brown horning. I heard a bunch of stations. It had a big old mess in my receive. But 911, appreciate you getting back. Brown horning, I heard you got my receive. You got a sloppy copy on me. Evening time in the northeast corner, six-pack. Smoky Hills, big old evening.
10-4, no doubt about it. Six-pack, you already know, sounding a whole lot of good in my video game in the Big Apple trees. Six-pack, 911, gone.
841, right downtown, Birmingham, Alabama.
Appreciate you getting back to me. It's time to go down here in Tennessee. We're going to get out of the way because it's rough and tough in my receive. 672, Smoky Hills with a wave and gone.
You keying on my locals over here, six-pack. Hey, six-pack, you taking out my locals over here in New York City. 911, New York, waving.
Somebody calling 445 in New Jersey, but every time you say your number, somebody gets kind of covered up. I'm tired of pulling you out. I hear you real good, but I don't know who to call.
I got that 66.
Hey, 445, 911. Hey, 445, 911, New York City, waving.
Pack Smoky Hills trying to get it back and let you know.
Well, that time it was a whole lot of six-pack. Between six-pack and 445, man, they killing my video game. 911 in the trees with the referee shirt on. I'm gone.
Hey, Turner 9, I heard you in there. Hey, Turner 9, how's everything around? Turner 9.
Weaving in my receive. Hey, 911, I see you back. Six-pack letting you know.
Hey, six-pack, you still in my receive. You still making it through the suit. Hey, six-pack, you still making it through the suit. 911 in the trees, waving. Where that 445? Where that 445? 911, New York, waving.
You're making a lot of noise over here in Hopewell.
Man. Rough and I received.
Word on my locals. Word on my locals around holding beats. I need a radio check. Word on my locals at the beat.
I don't know where your local's at, but you could get a radio check from New York City. The radio's sounding good. Hey, 226 around the Kakalakis, man. You sounding a whole lot of good in my video gate in New York City. 226, 911 in the Big Apple trees, waving. The most clean and pristine video gate in New York City, 911 New York, waving.
How about a 911 New York? 911 New York, 13 North Carolina, trying to get on that video gate.
Hello, 13. Hello, 13 in North Carolina, 911, waving right back.
Oh, you 161, 161. Hey, 911, 911. Where is it? I can find that video gate at. 911, General Lee, trying to get on that video gate.
Hey, General Lee, you can find it in 911 NYC Video Gates, 911 NYC Video Gates, 911 New York City just got down.
Appreciate it, 911. Appreciate it, 911, General Lee, 13 North Carolina, standing by.
10-4, man, it's all you right there, General Lee. 13, you cleaning out my video gate in New York City. 911 in the trees, waving.
Unkeyed, I heard something about it, I get the voice, but hell, I didn't hear it, man. T-Bucket had his finger in my ear come out.
Oh, they go that ricochet. He said, I don't hear T-Bucket, but he talking to T-Bucket, 911 New York City, waving.
Hello, audio. Hello, radio, waving the hand once again, I'm needing the mail.
Alright, what's going on with the wave around the band? 911 New York City with the gate rolling, let's go.
I got you, 9, sounding a whole lot of good in my radio, 911 in that video gate. Oh, Desperado, your neighbor, I'm needing the mail. Hey, Desperado.